everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of running around and a few exciting things around here. So I wanted to take you guys along with me. One of those things is we're going to be hitting the furniture stores because I wanted to share something that I'm in the market for, and I think you guys would love to kind of come along with me and see what I look at and hopefully find something that works and can get it ordered, and fingers crossed it won't take too long to come in, but I will share more on that. But I wanted to pick up the camera and take you guys with me today. I've already been to the ranch and took care of my horse Tex. Unfortunately, if you guys are new here, I'm in Southern California and our wildfires are really bad right now. So unfortunately, due to the smoke and ash and air quality, school was actually canceled today. So Colton is continuing to do his homeschool today, and then Ryland's teachers did email over a few assignments that he can do from home, but they are home today, even though it should be a normal school day. But we're just gonna kind of pivot and go with it. But my heart just goes out to anyone that might be affected by these fires watching this video. I'm not in the danger zone, but like I said, I am unfortunately getting like the yuck that comes with wildfires. But I'm born and raised here in California. It kind of just comes with the territory. So it is definitely very sad to see it happen, but typically happens every single year. So anyways, that is what we are up to today. So we're just gonna kind of move through, do a few things that need to be done, maybe go grab a coffee later, hit the furniture stores, and maybe work in a couple of things to keep the kids busy since they're home today. Before we head out, I just wanted to make a few changes here in my room. The goal was to maybe come in here later this day and decorate for fall, and the day just got away from me, but I am happy to share that this weekend it is happening. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that upcoming video. I already have some decor set aside. I'll explain more in this video. But what you're seeing right here is me kind of taking the bed apart. Not only do I want to wash the sheets and change them out for fall, but my husband's back has been bothering him, so I wanted to take off the mattress pad just for a few nights to maybe see if that was a part of the problem. So since I was changing the sheets anyways, I went ahead and took off that mattress pad and then sorted and folded laundry with a little bit of editing magic. I didn't want to bore you guys with that. So my room is all settled for the day. My sheets are in the wash, and you guys will see that room come to life probably by my next video. So stay tuned for that one. But moving downstairs, I wanted to tidy up here in the kitchen before we left. I don't like going out into the world knowing that I have chaos at home when I know that it really just takes a few minutes. So doing those few things in my room took really no time at all, but it set me up for success for later in this day when I knew it was really going to pick up and get busy. And then making sure that any straggler dishes that were in the sink from the rush of the morning, getting off to school and whatnot, making sure those were loaded into the dishwasher, and then just clearing off the countertops and wiping things down. Also, these were just $5 from Target, so if you guys have littles at home, or my kids are 10 and 12, they still love doing stuff like this. These were just $5 from Target. If you guys missed when we came in here and decorated the kitchen, make sure you guys go back and watch it. I have been loving this space right here with like the little simple towel, and then these lights come on at night. I have a picture I'll put in here. It just looks so pretty, and then with like the little pedestal pumpkin right there, and then my soaps, and this little white pumpkin glows and flickers. This one you could put a little tea light. I don't have one in there right now. And then just those little florals complement this window. I just love how that came together. And then just this little simple area here with the sign and the pumpkins. And then I added this lights up too at night, and just the glow in the kitchen, like after you're done cleaning up dinner for the night, and just kind of dim the lights and settle the house down. It just makes the kitchen look and feel super cozy. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, I shared just like a few clips throughout our day, but I was actually at Disneyland yesterday and it was so fun. Everything is decorated for fall and Halloween. It is so festive. And it felt so nice because you guys know I've been bringing out fall. I haven't quite brought out Halloween yet, but that definitely inspired me. They have this tree at the Disneyland resort, and it's in Frontierland, and it's called the Halloween tree, and it reminded me so much of the garland that we did above the sink. Again, I'll see if I can put a picture here of the Halloween tree and then my garland. It is so pretty, but I'm a pass holder. I've been to Disney, I don't even know how many times. I couldn't even tell you, but one thing I've never done is do a private tour. A girlfriend and I went, just the two of us, no kids, no families. We do it once a year. And we decided to mix it up this year and book a private tour. So we chose the Happy Haunts tour. It was such a good time. They have different ones, highly recommend. But this is my bag that I took to Disney with me for the day. And they do a Nightmare Before Christmas Jack Skellington holiday overlay on the Haunted Mansion. And it is like my absolute favorite. It runs through Christmas time because it's the Nightmare Before Christmas, but I found the cutest little keychain at TJ Maxx when I was looking for, I don't know why this won't focus, when I was looking for just a new bag to just hang over me for the day. So I picked up this cute bag right here and then threw on the little keychain. I thought it was so perfect. But then I thought it was really fun for our tour. They gave each of us these little pins with our names on it. So I thought it looked so cute on my bag with my little Jack Skellington, and this had like, you know, all the storage that I needed and stuff like that. So it was really, really fun. We wore matching shirts that said Nightmare on Main Street. We got so many compliments. But yeah, I've been using this little bag and I just switched back to my purse, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you get a lot more behind the scenes over there, more of just like everyday life and not so much like home. So I'll have my handle somewhere here on the screen if you guys want to follow along. But there's one other thing I wanted to show you guys. I was actually inspired by Allison Bickerstaff. I love following her here on YouTube, and I follow her on Instagram. She's so cute. But she has shared this before. If you guys love Fall on Halloween too, the Charlie Brown, it's the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown, obviously is like a staple, especially like from my childhood. She has this record she puts out, and if you guys know, you know. But in case you don't, I'm gonna show you. What makes this record so awesome is this. I have it on my record player right now, so I actually have this on display right here. We decorated in here. We put out the haunted house one, but I decided to put the Charlie Brown one out, and then as it gets closer to Halloween, I'll put this one back out on display. But again, let me show you what makes this record so special. I've never seen anything like it. You guys, is absolutely adorable. But look at the shape of this record. It's a pumpkin. Isn't that so cute? I want to say it was around like 30 bucks. I'll link it for you guys in the pinned comment, but isn't that adorable? And it just makes everything look so cute, especially just like a simple everyday look, especially if you're not someone that really like decorates. This is such like a little nod to the season, and I think it's just adorable. So I will link it for you guys, but I'm slowly adding more things and moving things around. So once everything actually like lands where it's going to be, I will make sure I go around and show you guys everything, maybe make like a little home tour. But Ryland finished up his stuff for the day, so we're getting ready to head out, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So let's maybe go grab a bite to eat, and then we're going to jump into the furniture stores. You may have caught on that we are currently sofa shopping, and I will explain more about that in just a minute, but I narrowed down a handful of sofas that I wanted to take my husband back to look at, but in the meantime, I wanted to double measure this space and make sure the sofas that I did like would actually even work in this room. On another note, look at my kitchen table still. I didn't want to put anything away yet because I'm still kind of messing with things and I'm still working on my bedroom. Just putting like those final touches, kind of seeing where everything is going to land. So I kind of did condense everything down to the one side of the dining table, but I can't keep living like this. This is the opposite of what this should be, and this is stressing me out beyond belief. So definitely need to address this. Hopefully today, Ryland's about to get out of school here pretty soon, so I don't want to like start a project and not be able to finish it. So maybe when I get back from picking him up, I can focus on this situation. Maybe I can at least pull some things that I think I'm going to use in my bedroom upstairs. And then maybe just throw the rest in totes. And then that way it's just not like spread out. So maybe let's just do that really quick and pull a few things that I know we're gonna use. And then the rest can just kind of be set aside. I cannot wait to get up to my room and decorate it for fall. So I'm pulling out some of the pieces that I know that I want to use up there, and then anything else I need, I can just fill in the blanks and just go to my totes with, as you can see, I have a lot of extra decor. I do plan on going through this and narrowing it down, donating it, give it to friends and family, and then keep the rest. Anything that may have been broken, I can just toss that. But I love just laying everything out on my dining table when I'm decorating. It just makes it really easy to see everything and grab what I need. But I'm absolutely not using all of this. That would just be way too much. But I just can't live with the chaos on my table, and my family wants our table back. So I just figured for the day, I'll go ahead and just put what I can just as a holding spot here in these totes. So I'm not storing it like this. It's just for the sake of moving it from point A to point B. And I'm just going to move everything into my good old trusty guest bedroom that seems to always turn into a storage closet somehow. But it's just a part of the process, and to make sure that we're able to actually live and enjoy in our space while we're transitioning the seasons, and I can go through my decorating process and all that while still thinking about my family and making sure that, it's not stressing anyone out. I'm just going to move this from the table over to the guest bedroom. And then once I'm done decorating, I can put everything away, and then we can decorate for Halloween and then move on to Christmas. Not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Thank you so much for all the love on my fall decorating videos so far. You guys have been so kind, and I love hearing from you guys down below in the comments. And you guys have let me know that you guys have also started decorating, and I asked what your styles were, and it just sounds so beautiful. I wish I could see each and every one of your homes. In fact, if you guys want to share any photos of your fall decorating, just shoot me pictures over on my Instagram in my DMs. I usually see them and get back to you guys, and usually talk decorating and decor and go back and forth. So if that's something you guys want to do, I would absolutely love to see it. And if you guys want, maybe I can feature your homes in one of my upcoming videos and share. So again, I'll flash my handle for Instagram here on the screen, and I'm excited to see some of the photos you guys send over. But I just am so excited that it's this time of year and we get to bust out all the fall decorations. And those of you that also decorate for Halloween, which is also coming soon on my channel, if that is, your style,
Cannot wait to bust out all the spooky stuff. Again, keeping it not too over the top and relatable, but I have some staple pieces that I definitely want to get out this year, especially my little sheet ghost decorations, decorate the yard, so many exciting things to come. But these decorations definitely made a mess in here, so I'm just cleaning up after myself, and I must tell you guys, it feels so much better to have this table back and just have everything looking a little bit more neat and clean.
That the video just kind of cut off and didn't have much of an ending. So I wanted to come on and thank you guys so much for watching this one. It was really fun to mix it up and do something different. As you can see here, these are some of the items that we pulled out from the bins and were set aside on the table. So I just pulled a few items. So they're staged right there to go upstairs so I can decorate my bedroom. Every single day I'm like, okay, maybe tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. So in other words, that video is coming. So stick with me. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe before you leave and like this video if you enjoyed it. And if you guys made it to the end, drop me something like fall or Halloween with an emoji in the comments so I know you guys made it here till the very end. But again, thank you so much for watching. I know this one was a little different, but it was really fun to mix it up. I have some really exciting videos coming up, some decorating in my bedroom. We have a cozy fall video coming up where we do some fall thrifting. We go to the cemetery, we get coffee, we go to lunch. Like I said, we shop together, all the fall things. So make sure you guys stick around for that one. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys next time in a brand new video.